Okay, babe. 1, 2, 1, 2. Thank you. I figured we'd already done that, that True Colors live, babe. So, what I thought I'd sing something for you that maybe nobody heard before, or you haven't heard in a long time. It's one of the first. This was on my first record I ever did when I was in Blue Angel, and
my mother loved it. My grandma loved it.
I hope you like it. It goes something like this. I can see you're slipping away from me, and you're so afraid that I'll plead with you to stay, but I'm gonna be strong. I'll let you go your way. Love is gone, and there's no sense in going on. And your pity now, it would be more than I could bear. So I'm gonna be strong. I'll pretend I don't care. I'm gonna be strong and stand as tall as I can. I'm gonna be strong and let you go along and take it like a man. When you say you see it, and you will lie. Smile and say, don't you worry, I'm fine, and you'll never know, darling, after you kiss me goodbye, how I'll break down and cry. Arigatou gozaimasu. See you next time.